It's great to have Rusty Wallis Honda. This is John Hernandez, Mr. Harib. I'm sending you this video of the 2017 Audi A6 Premium, silver with black leather interior. Just a beautiful vehicle. You would be the proud owner of this vehicle. Double exhaust. Here are all your floor mats. No scratches, no dings, in perfect condition. Garage kept. 4-cylinder 2.0 turbo. I will send this to you shortly, and then we will see you after around 5. This is the window sticker. It's $37,991. You're at the pure price at $33,990. Now, as per our conversation yesterday, in order for us to drum in business, we have got to have the cheapest internet prices, and that is where we're at. And as you can tell, alloy wheels, navigation, Bluetooth, driver and passenger seats are power seats. 12,645 are the miles. You have your paddle shifters here. There is your audio visual screen, CD MP3 player, control, AC control for both passenger and driver. Just a well-kept vehicle. 10-speaker premium sound system, CD MP3 player, mentioned that, keyless entry, rain sensing wipers. We have the really nice wood grain trim, your auto dimming rear view mirror, of course, your sunroof, yeah, backup camera, just a sight to be seen, sir. We're located at 12277 Shiloh Road, Dallas, Texas, 75228. Tons of room back here. Your guests, your passengers will have their own vents. Nice armrest. Nice little storage console here. Again, John Hernandez, 214-723-4366. Clean Carfax, one owner, low miles. We will be anticipating your arrival. If you have any questions, again, 214-723-4366. Rusty Wallis has been in business for over 40 years. We have won 8 President Awards from a Honda. We are 100% customer satisfaction. We want you part of our family, sir. This is 635, and your exit would be Norwest Highway, okay? We will talk to you, I'll send this to you shortly. Have a great day, sir. Bye-bye.